Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can request Google to index your web page or any URL by using the Google Search Console. Before getting started, make sure you have got logged into your Google Search Console and then you have opened up the property or the website that you want to um, index a particular page for. So once you are logged in, what I want to show you is I have just written a blog post here that will be available on my blog site, and then it's currently still in draft. So let me just publish this blog and then I'll show you. So it has been published. I'll just refresh this so the URL changes here. So this is the new URL that I have just published, and I want the Google to index this particular page in the search results. So let me do it manually. So when you are in the Google Search Console homepage, you can see here URL inspection, or you can just type in any URL here. So let me just paste the new web page link here, and then it will try to retrieve the link, and then it says is not on Google, and then there's no any information available. It's because I just published the page, and then I can request indexing from here like this. So I'll be leaving a blog post on how to do this on the description section below for the, and check the description section below for the link. So it says indexing requested, but one more thing that I want to show you is to click on this button as well. So it is currently testing the live URL, and it says it has got some issues. So this was the particular reason I wanted to show you. So it says if it get indexed, and there is gonna, and then what's the error here is I have got a how to section here. So this is the how to section, and then it says there's little bit of warning detected here. So let's see what's the warning is. There are 11 warnings currently, and then it says that the optional field is missing. So since this is optional, it's better to correct it, but I'll just leave it as it is since it's optional. So the URL has been already requested, so you can, if any changes or if you have corrected anything from here after seeing this suggestion, this enhancement page, you can again request for indexing, and then Google will try to index the page as soon as possible. It will, the time required for Google to index your page to Google search result might vary from couple of hours to a few days depending upon the Google's algorithm. This is it. Thanks for watching.